Alright, so since my last video, I had a friend ask me, how can I build a social media presence? Okay, so establishing a social media presence in the digital age is almost synonymous with reputation. So today, I'm walking you through my 5-step process on how to start and build a solid social media presence. First things first, you need to define your niche and develop niche related content. So let's define niche, spelled N-I-C-H-E, pronounced niche, like your knee. Okay, so simply put, defining a niche is choosing one specific topic and creating content revolving around that same topic. Now, I strongly advise that you choose a niche that's around something that you like and that's something that you're truly passionate about. Why? It makes it easier to create content because you have a genuine interest in the subject matter. So therefore, it's less like a job and it's more like a hobby and something that you look forward to and that you want to, keep doing. That's the whole point of the thing, right? Right. Now, defining your niche establishes identity and reputation. You don't want a guessing game. You want people to know exactly what they can expect to see or hear from you. So now you decided on a niche. Now you need to start creating social media accounts on some of the major platforms that's out there like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, just for starters. My advice, even if you already have social media accounts already set up, create new social media accounts designated specifically for your niche. Why? It'll give you a purely passionate audience. Now, this is important. When you devote your social media accounts to one specific niche, it essentially makes your following, your audience, easy to monetize in the future because at that point, you already know exactly what it is they will want to buy. And at that point, if you already know what they want to buy, just put the product in front of them and that's what you want. Right? Want to make some money? Here you go. Okay, now that you have a social media account set up, you need to get an attractive bio. Having a good social media bio in this digital age is extremely important. Why? Because it's basically a snapshot of who you are and how you represent yourself online. It's your elevator pitch. Your bio should highlight some of the things that most define you or your brand. This is important because what you say here may be the deciding factor in determining whether a person wants to follow you or not. So now that you have your bio set up correctly on all your social media platforms, now you need to work on posting consistently. Posting regularly about topics in your niche to keep your followers engaged and looking forward to new content by keeping them entertained. Mix it up. Use all the different tools that social media gives you to use to discuss different aspects of the same topic in your niche. Use videos, stories, infographics, niche-related photos, links to niche-related content that you found, or you can even share other niche-related content that you found on the same social media platform. But from there, just be creative and post consistently. At the bare minimum, at least post at least once a day. That's bare minimum. I try to do more than once. But look, once a day, at least let people know that, hey, I'm still here. I'm still alive and kicking. But understand, posting consistently can be time consuming and it can be attached. So what I advise that you do is to use a third-party app, something like Buffer. Buffer makes it easy so that you can post out content for months in advance. You can post out the same content all at the same time for months in advance so you don't have to worry about it. You can sit there and you can come out with a whole plan of how you want to reach your audience and everything. Do that. It's an invaluable tool. If you're not using Buffer, use another one like Later. You got Hootsuite. It's a lot of different social media management platforms. Use those to your benefit, all right? Okay, so now that you're posting consistently, now we need to focus on engagement. What you want to do is you want to try to respond to every reasonable comment or DM left to you, okay? Once you receive those, you want to respond to those, in a timely manner. Let people know that you are a real person. You don't want to just have people commenting your stuff and you're not saying anything back to them. This is important because the same people that interact with your content, they are your core audience. They're your core followers. They are important. You need to value those. You need to treat those people like gold because they're going to be the same people that's going to be rocking with you when you're posting your content consistently. Once you posting consistently, they're going to be the same people that's gonna be coming out there liking your video, sharing your video with their homeboy, their homegirl. They can be the same person that's gonna be up there comment on that. Hey, what's up? Hey, how you doing? I like your video. I see your other video. Keep going. They gonna be your folk. They gonna be your main squeeze. They gonna be your fan base right there. Okay, treat those people like gold. You want to go to those people page. Make sure you like a recent picture. Drop a comment on the video or a picture they left. A genuine comment, just not some canned response. A genuine comment, because it's all about interacting and engaging and creating these strong bonds with people. Once they see that you are interacting with them, they'll go back to your profile and follow you. And that's right there. Boom. We all working now. You got somebody that's following you that's interested in the same thing that you're interested in. That makes social media fun. It did for me, because a lot of people didn't know what I was talking about. So when I started building that following, and I had people that actually related and liked the same things, or were interested in the same things that I did, that I was. No, it just made it so much easier and so much more fun. But building a niche and building engagement within that niche is like videos and topics in and of itself. So if you want to see me make videos on that, make sure you drop a comment below. Matter of fact, if you like the video, make sure you like the video. Leave a comment, like I said, about anything that you feel about the video. If you have any criticism about the videos, any kind of critiques, anything about this video, leave it in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I'm dropping a new video. YouTube, I'm trying to start my social media and make my social media more informative. I'm trying to teach y'all through social media. That's basically my goal. My goal is to try to teach through social media, and you'll see that in the coming time. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We out here, obviously on YouTube, But in the meantime, just stay chunky, y'all. We here.